Hey guys, it's Ava Ocean here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a cupcake thank you card. So first you're going to fold it. You can open it up. You're going to need any type of marker. I'm using a Sharpie. So first you're going to draw like a little curved one, kind of like a C, but then like a kind of U. And you're going to keep drawing sideways U's as much as you want. You can make them longer. For the icing of the cupcake, next you're just going to close it off with a line. It doesn't matter how long it is. Then you're going to use a square or a rectangle, whatever you want to call it. For the bottom, you're going to add some lines, textures if you want. It's optional. You can add a plate. This is like a cake. You set cakes on it. I'm adding 3 cupcakes, but it's your choice. So there's my last one. If you want, you can write thank you on the front, big. You don't have to add color. I'm not in this video, but you always could. Next, you're going to open it up, draw a shape. It doesn't matter what shape, then keep adding lines. Next, you can add any other things in the middle, and that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to share. Bye!